A single sneeze can rocket out at over 100 miles per hour, outpacing the most furious hurricanes and turning your everyday achoo into a lightning-fast force of nature. Picture this: a sneeze releases thousands of tiny droplets, each a missile launched at incredible speed, capable of traveling up to 27 feet. It's not just speed that makes sneezes so powerful, it's the volume and range. With each sneeze, you're unleashing a microburst of energy that can spread germs far and wide, making it a tiny biological storm. This rapid-fire expulsion is a reminder of how something seemingly mundane can be a marvel of human biology, packing both power and potential. Next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember you're about to unleash a force faster than the wind of a hurricane, a testament to the hidden strength in the smallest of actions.